What are you doing? Oh no, don't put it out there. Put it over here. It's your sandbox? No, it's yours. We should have bought extra sand. Look, buddy, can you scoop? And then put it in there. And then nothing happens because the sand is still wet. Can you do it? Oh! Good job. Good job. All right. Are you gonna rake? Rake like this? Go. All right. I'm gonna get you some buckets from the garage.